Hi, I'm Jennifer Riley. I'm the special education teacher here at the high school. I also teach physics essentials. This is my student Matheus, and this here is Eric. I reached out to Eric and his teachers for support in helping Matheus with some manipulatives so that he could keep up with the class.
So this board helps me understand a lot, like, it makes me understand the velocity, if the things are going up or down or side to side or horizontal, and this board is actually a little smaller than the other ones. But it's basically the same thing, but this one helps me understand a lot about gravity and force. And thank you, Eric, for making this, and I'm glad that now I can understand physics better with this.
You're welcome, and if there's anything you'll need in the future, just reach out to me and I'd be happy to make some more things for you.
That's right.
I will definitely be reaching out to Eric for help.